Your skin type is DRPW. That means you have dehydration, uneven skin tone, and you're at a higher risk for aging because of some of your skincare habits. But the good news is you don't have underlying inflammation, and that is great. That means you're going to be able to tolerate stronger skin lightening ingredients and anti-aging ingredients more than the sensitive skin type people. So congratulations, you need some good, strong products that work. If you scroll down below, you're going to see the recommended regimen that our dermatologists have put together for you, and you're going to be able to go through each step. So for example, you'll see that you have an AM cleanser, and you're going to be able to scroll through different cleansers and pick which cleanser you want based on your favorite brands and price points. And what's important to know that each layer of your regimen, each step is particularly designed so that the products will work together, because some of the skin lightening ingredients that you need to use for your skin can get inactivated by the wrong moisturizer and the wrong cleanser. So every single product in your regimen is chosen to make all the other products work better. So if you stick with the regimen and give it 12 to 16 weeks, you should see a much more even skin tone and lower your risk for skin aging.